You guys, I've had a great day so far today. I took my son to work, and as we were going to work, it was so funny. I was thinking to myself, I'm not antsy anymore. I'm not rushing anymore. I don't have that anxiousness on me anymore about taking him to work, about being late for work. And as I was driving him, I said, well, at least you don't have to worry about trains. And as soon as I said that and I came around the curve, me going to pick him up, there's a train that stopped me. And so I sat there and I wasn't getting agitated thinking, oh, I'm going to be late to pick him up. I'm always anxious to do something. So I wasn't anxious to pick him up. I did a little video, I'll put it in here, of the train going by. I just mentioned a train. I said, I'm so glad I don't have to work because I don't want to be seeing no trains. As soon as I pull up, there's a train. But there's the end, so we can keep going. And it was nice. And so I went on and picked him up for work. And as we were driving to his job, he was telling me how he said, I'm so sick of this job. He said, I feel like you taking me to school, and I hated going to school, which he did. He hated to go to school. And so we were talking, and he said, this feels like, he said, it's like I want to drop out, but I know I can't, so maybe I'll transfer to another job. He was looking at going to work as when he was in high school, which he hated school. My last son hated school. So anyway, we were talking about that. So he was like, thanks, Mom, for taking me to work. I'm like, no problem. Love you, love you. So then I dropped him off, and I was getting ready to head back home, and I thought about it. I said, I'm not that far from my sister. So I said, I'm going to run by her house. So I went by my sister's house, and I forgot to take a video. She has paintings all over her wall, and I meant to take videos and so you guys could see some of her paintings. But I forgot that. We were sitting there, we were talking, having a good time, and she kept telling me how much I remind her of our mother and all that stuff, and she was really happy to see me, and I was happy to spend a little time with her. And so I said, I'll keep my car and just, start doing things more and taking her places and stuff like that. And so then when I got home, I had told her when I was over there that I didn't want to cut the grass. I just didn't feel like cutting the grass. Well, guess what? When I got home, I cut the grass. How wonderful my neighbor and friend is. She lets me use her lawnmower. So I'm heading over to her house to see if it's okay to use the lawnmower. But I get there, the door's closed, which means she's probably resting. So she already told me, just take the lawnmower, do what you got to do. So I got the lawnmower, and now I am going to cut the grass. But what a wonderful friend, huh? She always makes sure she puts gas in it when she's done because she knows I'm going to use it. So I'm just checking the gas just to make sure, to see if I have to put gas in it, which she leaves in a can right there, so I can do that if I have to. She is wonderful. That's what I'm telling you. She is a wonderful neighbor, a wonderful friend. guys see me cutting the grass. It was so hot out there because I thought it was going to rain and it didn't. So I said I better take advantage of this not raining and cut this grass. So after I cut the grass, oh, was I sweaty and full of grass. So I went and took a shower, washed my hair. And I was washing my hair and I started thinking, I want to cut my hair. You guys, if you can see the ends of my hair, it's just like straw almost. It's so fuzzy and dry. And if nothing else, I want to just pull it up and cut at least, what, an inch or so off, because it's just dead, and it's not doing anything. It's just dry. It's really dry. My hair is so dry. So anyway, that's what I did today. And I was going to do a different type of video, but I just thought I'd tell you guys about the fun day I had. It doesn't take much to make me happy. I got out the house. I got to visit with my sister, got to see my son. So that makes for a lovely day for me. Got a little exercise, cutting the lawn. So now I just got to straighten up my house, get me something to eat, and the day will be over. Because the day goes by so fast now. But I'll be coming back with more videos. I've got a lady soul wig that I'm going to have to show for you guys and get that out of the way. And that's what I'm going to be doing. For some reason, I just didn't, yesterday I didn't feel like, well, Thursday, yeah, I didn't feel like going live, so I didn't go live. I just was not in the mood. And but today I felt a little more energized, but that was it. So that's my day for today, and I love you guys, and can't wait to talk to you again. You guys take care of yourselves. Mwah.